Welcome to day 3 of statistics. We are going to study median of grouped data. So usually हम क्या करते थे? What is median? Median is the measure of central tendency, which gives the value of the middlemost observation of the data. Right? Ungrouped data में what do? We arrange the data value in ascending order, and if n is odd, we do this is the median. Of n is even, it is the average of इन दोनों ऑब्जर्वेशन का एवरेज हो जाता है, right? That is the median. But now what are we doing? We are doing the median of grouped data. So grouped data में हमको इसमें क्या एक नई चीज हम सीखने को देख रहे हैं. What is the new thing that we are learning is cumulative frequency. Right? You can find out cumulative frequency in two manners: less than type, more than type. ठीक है? So let's move on to what is the median. ठीक है? Let's move on to that. तो ये एक डेटा मैंने सामने आपको प्रेजेंट किया हुआ है. This is the marks कि 0 to 10 marks कितने के आए हैं, number of students which is frequency, 10 to 20 कितनों के आए हैं, 20 to 30 कितने के आए हैं. So what is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency would be 0 to 10 कितने के आए हैं, 10 से नीचे कितने के आए हैं, 20 से नीचे कितने के आए हैं. It should be 5 plus 3 because even less than 10 would be included. 5 plus 3 8. 30 से नीचे कितने लोगों के हैं, 8 plus 4 12. 40 से नीचे कितने के लोगों के हैं, 12 plus 3 15. 50 से नीचे कितने लोगों के हैं, 18 22 29 38 45 53. That means the total number of students is 53. So this is the cumulative frequency. ठीक है? Now how do we find out the median here? So first we have to do is basically we have to find the middle observation, right? So we have to find out the cumulative frequency of all the classes, right? And what is n by 2 in this case? Because it's odd, so 53 by 2, 26.5. So we have to locate the class which is closest to this number or greater than this. We have to find the median class which is closest to this number or greater than this, which we can find out is this, right? I hope it's recording. I just thought it's I just thought for a moment कि record ही नहीं हुआ है. Wow, so good यार. How can I be so good sometimes? Anyways, it's because मैंने ठीक से यहाँ पे किया ही नहीं था, तो कैसे उसको होगा, right? It's not an aligned order. Anyways, so this is a median class. So what is the formula? Formula is just like mode. What is L? Lower limit, which is what? 60. What is n by 2? 26.5. What is cumulative frequency of this class, median class? 29. What is the frequency? Into 10. कुछ गलत आया, I think. मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया है शायद. क्या गलत कर दिया? 5 8 29 ही था ना? Cumulative. Okay, so CF is a cumulative. Okay, so this actually CF is preceding class. The formula doesn't say this class, it's the preceding class, so it will be 22. ठीक है? So ये होता है आपका median. Just to make things clear for you again, it is, what is the median? First step is to find the median class. Okay, first step is not actually that. First step is to find n by 2. Okay. Second step would be to find the median class which is closest to this n by 2. Third step would be to find out the median, which is L plus L is a lower limit. ये जो median class निकला है उसका lower limit. right? N by 2 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class of this median class divided by the frequency of the median class into class size. That's the median. So let's do questions. ज़्यादा समझ आएगा, ठीक है? I have not solved these questions beforehand. I've done some examples, but I didn't solve these questions. So let's move on to exercise 13. This is the second question. This is the class. This is the frequency. What will be the cumulative frequency? 5, x plus 5, x plus 25, x plus 40, x plus y plus 40, x plus y plus 45. And what is this? Equal to 60. So the first equation is x plus y equal to 15, right? 15. X plus y equal to 15. That's the first equation that we are looking at. ठीक है? अभी क्या बता रखा है इन्होंने? मीडियन जो है ना, that's 28.5. So where is that falling? This is where it is. So what is the formula for median? Lower limit of the class plus n by 2. What is n? 60. Or you can even say it as 60 by 2. Cumulative frequency of the previous one, ये है ना, x minus 5, frequency of this which is 20 into 10, ये कट गया, 8.5 equal to, so this is 30 divided by 2 is 15. एक second, I think, let's see, let this be 20 only. 30 minus 5 is 25. 25 minus x divided by 2. 17 equal to 25 minus x. So x equal to 8. X is 8. So y is 15 minus 8. Y is 7, right? ये ध्यान रखना, दिस इज प्रीसीडिंग क्लास का, ठीक है?